Well, support from family and friends is important to those who are battling cancer. The Cancer Association and Netcare have launched a virtual cancer group that's going to be open to everyone who is affected by the disease. Patients starting their treatment, cancer survivors, and also those in remission will be able to share their testimonies and fears with professionals and, of course, be able to get the help they need during these difficult times. Let's speak to Cancer Association's Gretchen Minnaar. Gretchen, good morning. Thanks for your time in joining us on eNCA. I imagine this is an ideal situation where pivoting and adaptation has come in because of COVID-19. It's a brilliant idea. Where did the idea come from?
Good morning, Garrett, and thank you for having me. We announced this partnership with Netcare in February 2020, and as everybody knows, COVID then came and turned our worlds upside down. So we had to relook our strategy of still reaching out to the patients, our cancer patients, their loved ones, as well as the caregiver. So we launched our virtual cancer support group in partnership with Netcare on the 26th of June. And this is really our lifeline, Garrett, to cancer patients and their loved ones. And this virtual support group you can access it via your cell phone as well as your laptop.
And where are people going in order to get this done? If someone's watching now, they haven't heard about this, Gretchen, and they do have someone in the family or a friend, a loved one who has cancer, they don't know how to perhaps find you. Where are we sending people to find this support?
Our survey indicated that most of the caregivers and cancer patients, cancer survivors, prefer a cancer support group on a Saturday. So our support groups will take place on the last Saturday of a month at 10 o'clock till 12 o'clock. And everybody that's interested, this is a public-private partnership with Netcare. So not only the hospital patients of Netcare are welcome, but every cancer patient and caregiver in South Africa are welcome. They can contact our help desk at 0800 22 66 22, and we will guide them and link them to the quicker registration process.
Let me just repeat that number, Gretchen, in case someone missed it, and hopefully I've got it right. The number 0800 22 66 22. 0800 22 66 22. I can see you nodding. Just before I start saying goodbye to you, just how bad has COVID-19 been for cancer? Obviously, all the attention very much on COVID-19 from our health facilities as well, but for cancer patients and their families trying to get into the various care centres, also trying to get into radiation departments. Just before I say goodbye, what does cancer look like in South Africa for patients over the last year and access to specialists and healthcare facilities?
So when people get diagnosed with cancer, they experience different emotional reactions in the different cancer stages. And I think with COVID, that just add to the anxiety and fears, the losses of the cancer patients. Cancer patients felt isolated. They had to attend the hospital visits on their own. Friends and family were not there to support them. So that is why we have these support groups also, to be there, a safe space for the cancer patients and their loved ones, their caregivers. Also an opportunity and a place where they can give and receive emotional support as well as much needed information on the treatment and the side effects of the treatment. We also encourage cancer patients to call our help desk number, the 0800 22 66 22 number, if they have difficulty to access any treatment facility during this COVID time.
Invaluable information. Gretchen, congratulations to you and your partners for putting together this virtual support group for cancer patients and their families and loved ones in South Africa. That number again, 0800 22 66 22.